Our program is for everybody who dreams about creating interesting, functional, and beautiful spaces.
The beauty of the interior design program is that you get to interact with a ton of different students of all ages.
I chose JJC's interior design program because it's certified by the National Kitchen and Bath Association.
We have learned things such as floor planning, furniture planning, color, lighting, everything we need to know to prepare for the future.
We do internships here too, so I got to work for a big firm in Chicago, so that's really prepared me in that way, and again working with professionals.
They're very helpful, all the teachers over here, and they will help you accomplish your goals.
The teachers are great, but the students are awesome too. Everyone has a good time working together and collaborating.
Oksana Alfredson, who's our professor, always strived to make us do something more creative, more outside the box, and to find our inner artist within ourselves.
If I could do it all again, I would. In a heartbeat, it's a really great program.